How to save a document on Microsoft Excel app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to save a document on Microsoft Excel. So all what you have to do is go to Excel. Let's create a new document, for example this one. Now all what you have to do, go here, click on this three dots and click save. Now choose the name of the file, click rename, and let's say that it's doc1, and now it's saved. And if you want to copy the link, you can copy it from here, or you can export this file to ODS. And if you want to save it again, there is two options, save and save as. You can now save it to the place that you want, for example your drive or device or browse. Don't forget to like and subscribe.